The LC-dolida Sleep Headphones combine a sleep mask with built-in Bluetooth headphones to create a multifunctional device designed to improve sleep quality. This product merges three functions into one: a sleep mask, Bluetooth headphones, and an eye mask. It aims to provide a comfortable, immersive audio experience while blocking out light, making it ideal for naps, insomnia, air travel, meditation, and yoga. The mask features Bluetooth 5.4 technology, which offers fast pairing speeds and reduced power consumption. It is compatible with most Bluetooth-enabled devices within a range of 45 feet. This wireless connection allows users to listen to music or other audio content without the discomfort of traditional headphones, which often fall out or cause ear pain during sleep. One of the standout features is the high-fidelity stereo sound delivered through ultra-thin speakers embedded in the mask. The audio quality is clear and immersive, providing a well-enclosed environment for the ears. Users can enjoy music, sleep tones, or guided meditations without external noise interference. The battery life supports 8 to 10 hours of continuous playtime on a single charge, sufficient for a whole night's sleep. Charging takes approximately 1 to 2 hours. Ergonomically, the mask is designed with 3D contoured eye pockets that allow free movement of the eyes without pressure. This design addresses a common issue with flat sleep masks that can feel tight and uncomfortable. The adjustable strap fits various head sizes and is designed to avoid hair entanglement, although some users have noted that the Velcro closure can catch hair. The fabric used is memory foam combined with a super soft, breathable material that is skin-friendly and hypoallergenic. This makes the mask comfortable to wear for extended periods and suitable for people with sensitive skin or conditions like dry eyes and migraines. The mask effectively blocks out light, including during daytime naps, enhancing sleep quality by creating a dark environment. User experiences highlight several benefits. Many have praised the mask for its comfort, noting that it is soft, lightweight, and stays securely in place throughout the night. The sound quality is frequently described as superior to other sleep headphones or earbuds, with good bass and treble balance. The long battery life is another commonly appreciated feature, with some users able to use the mask for multiple nights before recharging. However, some users have reported minor drawbacks. The Velcro strap can cause slight discomfort or hair pulling, and the band around the ears could be wider or trimmed differently to reduce soreness. There is also some audio leakage, which could disturb a sleeping partner if the volume is too high. Additionally, the mask may be too large for people with smaller heads, sometimes covering the nose and restricting airflow, which some users mitigate by wearing a separate, smaller sleep mask underneath or positioning the LC-dolida mask on the forehead. A few users have mentioned an issue with the control board inside the mask shifting position, which can temporarily affect charging or operation. This can be resolved by adjusting the board back into place. Another concern raised is the audible voice prompts for power and volume changes, which some find startling when falling asleep. Unfortunately, there is no option to disable these voice notifications. Overall, the LC-dolida Sleep Headphones are highly regarded for their combination of comfort, effective light blocking, and quality sound. They offer a better alternative to traditional earbuds or headbands for those who want to listen to audio while sleeping without discomfort. The product is well suited for side sleepers due to its thin speakers and contour design. This product is an excellent choice for anyone seeking to improve their sleep environment with technology. It is especially useful for people who need to block out noise, such as snoring partners, or those who benefit from relaxing audio aids. The mask's thoughtful design and functionality make it a standout in the sleep headphone market, and it represents a great value given its features and price point. If you have experience with this product, please leave a review to help others make an informed decision. The link to the product is in the description to support the channel and provide easy access for those interested in trying these sleep headphones.